Welcome to our meditation. Before we begin, please find a place to sit comfortably where you won't be disturbed. You don't need to close your eyes just yet. I'll let you know when to do that. For now, let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath, focusing on welcoming peace on the inhale and allowing the stress of the day to release on the exhale. Take note of how your body feels in this moment. And your mind, is it racing or receptive? No judgment, just noticing. Now, just allow your breathing to be natural and effortless. Let it flow in and out easily and comfortably as we explore the role of breath in meditation. Because breathing is automatic, it can be easy to take for granted the deep connection between our breath and our mind and body. When we find ourselves in stressful or upsetting situations, our breathing becomes rapid, short, and shallow. Our muscles tense, and the stress hormones flood our system. In our modern world, this fight or flight response, passed down from our ancestors, is one that is rarely needed and that too often shows up at the office or at home. When we meditate, we empower ourselves to reverse the negative effects of this response. By taking several full, deep, and slow breaths, our heart rate comes down, our blood pressure is lowered, and tension begins to dissolve. So simply in the act of breathing fully and deliberately, we send a signal of calming, restful awareness to every cell in our body. Similarly, the breath settles the millions of thoughts vying for our attention at every second of the day. Like the anchor of a ship, breathing reminds us that the only moment is the present moment. By focusing on our breath, those thoughts settle, and we realize there is nowhere to go and nothing to do but to be with the fullness of each breath. With this in mind, let's experience a simple yet profound breathing meditation. Let your eyes softly close and make any adjustments you need to become totally comfortable and relaxed. Now, take a slow, full, deep breath. Hold it briefly and then release, noticing the sensations in your body. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in, hold, exhale. Once more. Inhale, pause, let it go. Now, just allow your breathing to be natural, effortless, and comfortable. As you breathe, become aware of the sensations of breathing, the flow of air through your nostrils, into your lungs, perhaps a slight pause, and then exhalation. Notice the rhythm and the pace. There is no need to force or control your breathing. Simply observe it as it comes and goes, like the waves on an ocean, pulling back as you inhale and washing up against the shore as you exhale. From time to time, you may notice your attention gets pulled away from your breath to a thought, a sound, or a physical sensation. When this happens, be easy with yourself and return your attention to your breath. We'll continue this meditation for the next few minutes. I will return when it's time to end our meditation. Enjoy. Now, let go of the awareness of your breath. Continue to sit comfortably with your eyes closed for a few moments. Allow the stillness and the silence to sink in. Acknowledge yourself for taking this time to cultivate stillness and relaxation. And have the intention to carry this feeling of peace with you back into your daily activity. Let's conclude this meditation by taking in another full, deep breath. Slowly let that go. And whenever it's comfortable for you, allow your eyes to float open. Namaste.